In this video, I want to share a proven way to make money from home, even while quarantined with coronavirus. Hi everybody, Joe Barclay here. COVID finally got me. If you have watched any of my videos, you'll notice this one is really different. You're not even hearing my actual voice. It's computer generated. I'm too sick to even talk. And this video will be a little shorter than usual too. Just putting together, the notes for this video took more time and energy than I can believe. I'm on day 4 of coronavirus. I spent Sunday in the hospital. And yes, I did get vaccinated. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell too. I've been making money from home for more than 30 years now. I've been doing it full time for over 20 years. And it's not just about making money, but creating time, freedom too. See, I sail most days in the summer and ski most days in the winter, while most people are busy at their jobs. I love making money online. Making money online can be one of the simplest things you ever do. If you select the right home business to build, and if you have the right system to build it with. Those are the 2 keys. Let me share what I do. I've found it to be the fastest and simplest way to make money. It's a super simple home business that anyone can do, even first-time beginners. No previous experience is necessary. It's all done online. You can literally do this home business in just a few hours per week, at your convenience. Even while quarantined and totally wiped out from COVID. And if you are healthy, you can do it from the beach, the movie theater, or wherever you want to be. You do not need to be home to do it. My business is almost totally automated. Our team will give you a high converting sales funnel for free. The same exact one I use, but personalized for you. It's a complete marketing system with several landing pages and sales pages that brand and promote you. We also give you a library of emails to send out. This free system puts your business on autopilot. We will provide you with excellent training and support. And I will be your personal mentor and coach. And no, that's not just sales talk. I make more money by helping you have massive success. You will be able to call, text, or message me anytime you need help. Trust me, nothing can do more to help you be successful. As for the business itself, it's very affordable. And it is not one of those things where you have to buy products every month. It is the fastest growing business in the home business industry. Everyday people all over the world are having success with us. You can make money fast. Many people make money their very first day. And we make recurring income too. That's money that keeps coming in month after month. You will love getting paid months from now for what you do today. To learn more about making money from home, even while fighting COVID, go to my website at easymoneypath.com.